Welcome to Drops on Elite. So today we'll be diving into this particular testnet called Humanity Protocol. Okay, so it's a new one, so and it's a good time for you to jump into it now. So to get started with this, there's a link in the description. Once you click it, you get yourself to this particular page. Okay, so first of all, you have to sign up. So to sign up, you'll be needing an email or you sign up connecting your wallet, but I would advise you do that with your email. Okay, so once you put your email here and then sign up, you have to go to your email and then verify your email. So once you're done with the verification, then you have to connect your wallet. Okay, so and then after that you see yourself in this particular page. So now the first thing you're going to do here now is to connect your socials. So to do that, you have to click here, connect your Twitter, your Gmail, your Discord, your Telegram. So once you're done with that, you get points for doing that. Okay, so there's one point that you have to get for connecting your socials here. Okay, so once you're done with that, it will reflect here. Okay, so now to get every day you have to come here and claim your rewards. There's kind of daily rewards that you have to claim every single day. So once you come here, you click, it will take you to your Metaverse account for you to sign for it. Okay, so once you're done with claiming, okay, let me sign. Yes, confirm. See, so once you're done with the claiming, so that's it. So now one of the ways that you also earn here, apart from claiming the points every single day, is that you have to come to bridge. So but first of all, before you do that, you have to collect the their faucet token. Okay, so if you click here now, you're going to get to this particular page. Okay, so what you're going to do here is to copy the the wallet address of the particular MetaMask account that you use here. So I come here, I copy it, and then I come here, I paste it. So once I paste here, I will then request for it. Okay, so once you do that, you will be given token. Okay, so if you want to check whether you have the token, you can just go to your MetaMask and then see whether the thing I've showed there. Okay, so once you're done with the claiming of the faucet token, next thing you're going to do is that you're going to go to this bridge. Okay, so once you click here, you see yourself in this particular page. Okay, so now what you're going to do, you have to bridge from this HP testnet to MetaMask. Okay, you're bridging from this Humanity page or the Humanity system to the MetaMask ecosystem. So to do that, once you come here, then maybe just have to select 0.01 and then I continue bridge. And then confirm. So I'm done with that. So next thing I'm gonna do is to go back and also confirmed. Okay, alright, so next thing I'm going to do is I come back here and then move from Sequoian testnet to HP testnet. So to do that, I have Ethereum. So come here, just choose any amount, 0.00 let me just 0.001. Okay, and then I come here, continue, and then I bridge. Okay, confirm. So once you're done with that, for now it's supposed to be showing the activities, but for now maybe they're having issue with their listing, but it have confirmed that I did the transaction. Okay, so now that's basically what you have to do here in this Humanity Protocol testnet. So first of all, you have to come here, connect your socials to get the points. Okay, every single day you come here, you claim your daily reward. As you claim your daily reward, then you'll be seeing the points reflecting here. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do is to go to faucets. Okay, once you click that for here, you come here and then paste your wallet address here and then request for the faucet token. Then once you're done with that, come to this bridge from bridge from the Cyprian testnet to HP testnet, okay, and then you bridge from Humanity testnet, okay, to Cyprian testnet, okay. So that's what the two things you have to bridge, okay. So once you're done with that, that's what you have to be doing every single day as regards to this particular testnet, okay. So the other thing you can do to also, get more points is to refer also. Once you refer, come here, copy your link here, and then share to your friends. So as you do that, your point will also be, increasing as well. So that's all for this Humanity protocol testnet. It's very easy to go about, okay. So if you have any questions in regards to this, you can then ask in the comment section, okay. I'll do it to answer your questions. All right, so that's all for this Humanity testnet, Humanity protocol testnet, okay. So just follow us, if there is any updates, we do it to ensure that you guys know about it, okay. So thank you so much.